Okay, I did a review on this air quality monitor here a little while back, and I had a very intelligent viewer bring some things to my attention, and in that video will be linked at the end of this one, and he told me some things. Something I did was I blew into it, and you can see the O2 sensor is at 410. Now it's at 481, 466 and falling. It's hardly any part per million registration. By blowing my breath into it, the CO2 should have been raised above the scale. So let me put some alcohol rub in a spray bottle and do another test that he told me about. I'm going to spritz it with alcohol rub. The VOCs, the toxics, and all that should respond, but the CO2 shouldn't. 566, 901, 929. So you can see, and this is a test he told me that would do this if the CO2 sensor was fake. Spray an alcohol rub at the sensor versus blowing my breath on the sensor. And of course you can see the HCHO and the TVOCs, the volatile compounds and other, are responding to this alcohol rub. So if you rely on this sensor right here to tell you that the CO2 levels are too high in an area that you are in, you could be exposed to toxic or deadly levels of CO2 and this sensor not tell you. Don't bet your life on it. Thank you, and God bless.